So let's understand. If we're going to get a Blueprint call, that means a call from American Express. Blueprint Loan gets a call. They're going to verify something. That's the time you have to learn to be quiet. I'd say shut up, okay? What happens is you want to over-explain yourself. Now, I'm going to pick on Lewis tonight. Is Lewis here today? He's probably there listening or watching anyway. Lewis is a great guy. I've known Lewis for years. He talks different than he does today than he used to. He has confidence. He's on top of it, but he screwed up. American Express says we want to review the account, okay? And what do? His conversation is, all right, what about your income? Instead of shut up, he wants to volunteer. I have a settlement coming up for $250,000. Oh, goody. I got a pension plan. I got all my accounts. I got these tests. You open Pandora's box. You see, everybody you talk to American Express is a different person, and they're making notes. So the goal, I'd always tell you, if you get a call to verify, it's called, how can I help you? Shut up, shut up, shut up. They're going to say, we're reviewing because of what reason? Your next response could be, what account triggered this? For instance, I look at basically Elias here. I made Elias a billionaire, okay, when I helped him bring edible arrangements in California years ago. Elias says, well, it must be the card you got, right? No, it's the card because you dropped your score. See, my point is this. He jacked up his credit card, the wrong card. What does it do to your score? It drops your score. What does American Express do? They call you right away. They reanalyze you instantly. And what do? They reduce his $75,000 I got him to the actual current balance. See, you got to be part of the program. We understand rules and tools and don't screw it up. So the point of bringing your credit up and down, that makes them review. And that's what happens. Lewis over-talked the story. He's like, blah, blah, shut up. You now want them to verify your pension plan, your settlement, your bank account, this and that. You made it more difficult than it needed to be. Okay, but like anything else, what do? Okay, Mrs. Walker here, they reviewed her. They asked for 2 months of bank statements. And I told her, because I've known her a long time, shh, shut up. All you have to do is say, how can I help you? You want to review? Okay, well, what can I do? What do I need to provide you for your review process? Okay, no problem. They're going to tell you. The next question you might ask is, what card triggered this? Okay, what card? Elias, they got to the point he asked the question. He goes, oh, that was my personal card. His score dropped. They reviewed, and they shrunk his limit to his current balance. Got it so far? So rules and tools. We're trying to put the ball in the hole or whatever you want to call it. We're trying to put the dots together, connect the pain, and make sure we get through the process.